I'm Gemma.
And I'm Charlotte.
And together we are the Style Sisters. We are an organising duo
that specialise around the home, making you organised and super stylish with the touch of Style Sister glam.
If you're looking to get organised in the home, here are our top 3 tips.
Number 1, get rid of anything in your home that you're not using, you don't like, it doesn't fit, it doesn't work, it has to go.
Yes, time to detox, because that is important. If you don't detox, then you're just organising things that you don't really need anymore and they're taking up space.
Tip number 2.
Change your hangers in the wardrobe. It is going to make such a difference when you've organised your wardrobe and everything's streamlined. You can get 3 items to 1 wooden hanger when you use slimline velvet hangers.
Tip number 3, place seasonal items away into suitcases, under bed storage or in the loft in vacuum packed bags.
You don't want to be looking at heavy knitwear in the summer or summer dresses in the winter. They're just taking up space. And not only that, when you then do the seasonal switch over, you feel like you've got a whole new wardrobe.
Those are our top 3 tips.
So if you want to find more out and you want to get even more organised, come follow us over at Style Sisters on Instagram.